morning, sir. I'm Jennifer Guleng. I'm 34 years old. I'm a single parent. I have two children, 6 years old and 11 years old girls. I'm a college level. My work experience before in Kuwait for almost 5 years. I took care 3 years old girls. I prepare her food and clothes every day. I took care 65 years old elderly man. I prepare her needs every day. I'm cleaning the house. I'm washing clothes. I'm ironing clothes. And I'm assist in the kitchen because I didn't cook in Kuwait. Someone in the family does cooking. I'm a trustworthy, hardworking, obedient person. I'm honest also. I love pets. I want to learn Hong Kong dishes also. I want to work in Hong Kong because for my children's needs and for their future. Thank you, ma'am, sir.